let's get into this spring bedroom refresh because I'm honestly so over this weather, guys. Even though it's officially spring, it doesn't feel like that outside, which I have no control over. But for the inside, we're gonna get it looking like spring. So let's go ahead and get started.
Thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day.
I'm so happy it's officially spring, guys. Like I said, even though it doesn't feel like it yet, but of course we know that with spring, winter is all gone. It was a brutal winter. At least there's no more snow falling, right? So that is like a step in the right direction. But anyways, you guys, so when it comes to spring refresh, of course we're gonna start with the mattress. As you guys saw, I went ahead and I took off all the mattress from all the bedding from the mattress, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my lint remover to like stretch out my headboard, because sometimes, because of the fact that the headboard is velvet, you guys know the thing with velvet, they just start, I don't know, it's like they have marks. Even though like when you go ahead and clean it out, like you guys see me doing here, the material looks all good, all nice, but velvet has its own thing. But anyways, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and deep clean the mattress. And if you've been watching my video for a while, you know that I swear by this solution or this concoction right here. It's basically baking soda with drops of your favorite essential oil. I love to mix these two together. Go ahead and sprinkle it all over the mattress, all over the floor. Like it smells so good. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Arm & Hammer carpet odor eliminator. It's kind of the same thing. And oh my god, say hi to Mr. Ace. He decided to grace our screen today. But anyways, you guys, I love to use that solution to like sprinkle all over the mattress, the floor, everywhere that I want to kind of deep clean and deodorize. It's not like the floor is smelling or the mattress is smelling. It's just like to refresh and make it smell even nicer, because of course you guys know the bed is where we sleep, we sweat, we do everything. So basically, once I'm done with that, I'm gonna head onto the laundry room. We're gonna feed all the bedding into the washing machine. I love to take out bedding immediately and put it in the washing machine, because I'm the type of person, right, that I just love getting things done immediately, because if I leave them, it's probably going to take me a week or two before I get to do that laundry. So I love to like go ahead, like if I see anything that needs washing, if I see anything that needs cleaning, I love to do it right there and then, because if I leave it to later, I will probably not get back to it. So as you guys can see, we're just gonna go ahead and like dust all the furnitures, the nightstands, the lamps, the tables, the chairs, whatever that needs dusting and cleaning. Of course, if you're enjoying this video, kindly hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and join this family, because here you're gonna get a lot of entertainment, a lot of educative content. I mean, if you're a lover of home decor, lifestyle content, family content, we are well-rounded, guys. So you're definitely gonna see one or two things you love. I love a clean home, guys. This is like kind of my my passion. I know we started our brand off of beauty, but of course we all grow, right? I believe that when you guys started watching me like 12-13 years ago, you're not the same person today. So it's like, for me, I kind of grew, I grew out of love with makeup. It's not like I grew out of love with makeup. I still love my makeup, but I didn't feel like, I felt like I wasn't sharing all my talents. It was so restrictive for me. So lifestyle is just like, whenever I wake up and it's time to film, I feel so happy because it's like I can share all the bits and pieces of me. I can share everything that makes up a format, I can share. I'm just so happy, guys. And of course, if there's anything you see in my videos you love, definitely check my description box, or you can simply follow me on Shop LTK. That is a page that I've dedicated to like linking all my home products, anything you guys see on me, from my clothing to my kitchen, my furnitures, whatever it is, guys. But anyway, I'm going in with my UV vacuum. This also is so good because it has kind of a UV light that helps to kill all the dust mites and all the little dirt that your naked eyes might not be able to see.
You gotta hold on to me. I remember the sound of us being loud, so loud, so loud. Just wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you doing and moving.
And after, of course, vacuuming the bed with the UV light, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum up the baking soda. And as you guys can see, I'm using my handy dandy Dyson vacuum. This vacuum I've had for probably almost 8-9 years now, and as you guys can see, is waxing strong. I have two of these vacuums, but let me tell you guys, they've been a lifesaver for me, especially if you're the type of person that love cleaning, and also if you have active kids. I cannot explain to you, like I can't even tell you how much I clean on a daily basis, like how much I vacuum and clean because of my active kids. But anyways, you guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and proceed to make up the bed. If you know me well, you know I absolutely love my white sheets. I love my white beddings, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on the beddings, make up the bed, make it look nice and springy.
I still got your shirt. It's like time flies, but it still hurts. Oh, you're moving on. I know by your tone, while I'm moving backwards. Just wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day.
Guys, during winter I couldn't wait for spring to come, guys, and I was contemplating between two colors for spring, for my spring tone or for my spring decor. I was contemplating between yellow and sky blue, and let me tell you guys, when I saw this bedding in the store, I was like, no, like this is it, because of the fact that it has the sky blue. It's kind of floral, and also it has the sky blue, and also it's like sky blue and white, just the perfect color I had in mind. And when I saw it, yellow was like top of my list, but then when I saw this bedding I was like, no, like I have to do sky blue. I've done yellow in the past, so sky blue was just right there in front of me. So I'm just so happy, and I love the fact, as you guys can see, I love a neutral decor. I love neutral, not so moody bedroom. So the bedding just added that very nice pop of color to the space, which I absolutely love. So I'm gonna go ahead, of course, I finished making up the bed, and I'm gonna go ahead now and put on my decorative pillows, make everywhere look nice and clean and ready for the season. I don't know, I know a lot of people always say, like, especially men, they be like, why are women always adding pillows on their bed? That's because I love my bed feeling like a luxury hotel, guys. Like there's this feeling when you're done with the day, it's like already time for you to retire to your bed, and you walk into your bed, you see the pillows on the bed, you go ahead, you take your shower, you put on your loungewear, you take out the pillows, you lay down on your bed, Listen, let me know if you understand that feeling, because I can't explain it, but I love having pillows on my bed. That's basically what I'm trying to say. But anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just finish up decorating. You know, as you guys can see, this flute vase, this I've had this vase for over like 5-10 years, like I would say 5, maybe 8-9-10 years. It's been so long I've had this vase. I just put it in storage, right? So I recently went to storage. I brought out a lot of my decorative things. That is how it made a debut in this video. But anyways, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to hit that like button below. Until my next one, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
I know by your tone while I'm moving backwards. Just wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day. And all I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I just gotta know. I just gotta know. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head.